Hey everyone, this is Vaheed from TryTecho. In this video, we will learn how we can build a button to download an ebook. So if you want your users to download the ebook to their computers, you can do it easily. When someone opens your post or any page, they can click on the download button and it will start the downloading. After downloading, they can view the ebook on their computer. To do this, we just need to go to the media and click on this add new and then select the files. I'm adding this. After that, you can click on this copy URL to clipboard. After that, go to the post and go to the edit of any post where you want to display it. I want to display this download button on this post. First we view this post. You can see here is our post and we want our download button on the middle of this content. So we click on this edit post button. So here is our post, and to add a button we just need to click on this plus icon and search for button. Here is our button widget. Simply drag it and drop it where you want to display it. I want to display it here on the top of the content. After that, close it and click on this settings icon. Here you can type any text you want. I am typing download ebook. After that, click on this icon and paste the URL you copied. After that, click on this icon. After adding the URL, simply click here and set its alignment to middle, and then update it, and then you can view your post. So here is our download button. When someone will click on it, downloading will start, and after downloading they can view your ebook. So if you want your download button on a page designed with Elementor, you can do it easily. So this is the page which is designed with Elementor. So I want our download button to be appear on the top of this page. So we just need to click on this edit with Elementor button. After that, drag and drop the button widget, and here write anything you want. I am writing download ebook, and here you need to enter the link of the ebook. I am entering. After that, click on this update button and then click on this icon and exit. You can view your page. So here is our download ebook button. When someone click on it, it will start the downloading. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and see you in the next video. Thank you.